CK6140-750 CNC lathe is a high-precision, compact processing equipment designed for precision turning of small and medium-sized workpieces. It has stable performance and high processing efficiency and is suitable for processing external circles, internal holes, threads, and complex-shaped parts. The main parameters include maximum turning diameter 400 mm, maximum turning length 750 mm, spindle speed range 2,200 revolutions per minute, x-axis travel 250 mm, z-axis travel 750 mm. Main motor power 5.5 kilowatts, machine weight about 1,550 kilograms. It is suitable for precision processing needs in industries such as automobiles, machinery, and molds.